I thought Stevie could record his trip out. We can record our trip out. Just to say we're being like Stevie. That's what we can do. I can't see for sure, Robin. Can you see up there?
Yeah, I can see up around that turn. It's clean.
And yes, back when this truck was brand new, brand spanking new, I think I ran it. Well, when I took it over, it had 98,000 miles on it. I took it, no. When I took it over, it had like 20,000 miles on this truck. And I drove her to 100 and something. And then Big Me took it over. And I got kicked back to the woods because we had some regime change or whatever around the company. But this truck is slipped a little bit. It's misaligned. The front end pulls. It needs a shift tire.
Yeah, I'd say we'll be about the Holland exit whenever it's dark. That ain't too bad.
Yeah, we got an hour after dark, don't we?
Well, today we do.
Or was it an hour before dark? Which is it?
Does that mean we get to pull over and spend the night in the hotel?
Yeah, Stevie. I've been eating. We can go in and eat one of them Mexican restaurants, Stevie, and I can bunk with you, buddy.
Well, we'll go to a hotel tonight. I want one that's got a complimentary breakfast. That way I get a nice breakfast in the morning before I have to leave.
Stevie, they usually ask us to leave. What's he talking about?
I gave you up my dollar while ago to eat a damn stale hot dog. It's about time I got royalty checks coming back in again.
Copy that. Last time I checked, Stevie, I didn't think he was royalty.
Got your red bird coming your way. Red bird coming your way.
I guess we could start calling you Sir Bellows. Or if you're recording or something, Stevie, it could be Sir Poopy Pants.
No, I'm not recording. I'm driving.
This is tight through here, boy. It is tight.
You got that other one coming. Hot, that's right. That is a T. No, I think that's a Chrysler. Robin, is that a newer version T-Bird? It looks like a T-Bird on there. No, that's Chrysler 200. I figured you would know it. God, you're smart.
Stevie, you give her about a 200, don't you?
Well, I mean, that was kind of a sucker question because they don't even make T-Birds anymore. They quit making them. When they quit making them? I think 16 was the last model year. I just read that here about a month ago. I didn't know they quit making them actually until I was reading that shit.
No, they made them in the 90s. Big Meat had two of them. Two Thunder. Oh, they're Thunder. No, it's a Thunderbird. Yeah, Big Meat had them in the 90s.
Now, I got Devin think about what I just said. I said I think the last model year was 16. Well, that would mean they probably still made them in the 90s if they didn't quit making them till 16. Cutie coming at you!
I thought you said 68.
You got a cutie coming!
Copy.
No, they went back to the little sports car looking ones. Here, that last run, last body style. Like the original first ones, no back seat.
Oh, yeah, I know what you're talking about now.
Two cars coming. Here comes another one. Three.
Oh man, this is gonna suck. Oh, come on, driver. Oh man.
There's another one. Here comes number three.
God, Dory. I hope you're slowing down.
45.
Oh.
Chicken hawk on the power line down here.
Well, I made him right at the choke down spot.
Yeah, see that? It was squeezed way over.
That was nice.
He was grinding like dicks all the way back. I'm just going to turn the radio on.
Coming in hot. Look at the fender on the boom. Joni dropped a log on it and tore it all to Hades. I might have to build a new fender for her. Which I've been wanting to do that. I wasn't wanting to make it to where it ain't a beer can piece of junk. But I wasn't in a big hurry to do it, but son of a butt.
We're going to take 65.
Yeah. I'm gonna let Elmer out here. Whoa, look out. Whoa, he just burnt rubber too. He got pissed. That old girl's a smiling. How dare her drive there on Elmer's Road?
Well, what in the world happened?
Oh God, that was funny. That old timer, he come out there and then he ran in that girl there. Had to let her go or she had to stop or something. He got pissed off and just floored it and spun rubber. He needs to get down there and get checked on that osteoporosis medicine. That son of a buck is going to make him ill-tempered, I think. Or maybe that's women's that get osteoporosis. Ain't old men don't get that, do they? Maybe he had Alzheimer's. Maybe he didn't know he had to yield to that girl. Ain't been driving long, probably. Oh, come on. I can't shift this truck to save my life. Oh, Blackie, I can take shift every gear, and I can't do that. I can't hardly shift this thing. I used to be able to drive this thing like, I used to know this truck like the back of my hand.
After that goddamn fender on this knuckle boot.
I'll let Joe on her and drop the log on it and destroyed it. We're going to have to build her a fender or something.
I'm sure glad I didn't do it.
That pin cylinder on the pin cylinder, I guess it got a can pin on it and tore up the packing on the piston and bypassed it so bad she said she couldn't hold on to a ball.